Have been receiving this particular comment over and over again, so I decided to make this video. I'm going to show you AI tool that will give you daily credits for you to create your videos. Even though you meet your limit for the day, you get to continue creating your videos the next day. With that, you can be able to come up with a long video even in 2 days or maybe 3 days, depending on how long you want your video to be. Do you understand? If this makes sense to you, just sit back. Let's get right into this video. But before then, please kindly go ahead to like this video. Most of you don't like my video. Please like this video, share it, drop your comments in the comment section. If there is any video you want me to come up next, kindly drop in the comment section. If you don't tell me, I wouldn't know. I will not know what to come up next, so drop in the comment section. Okay, so without much ado, let's get into it. Okay, yes, in the beginning of this video I said I'm going to show you a tool. Yes, only one tool that you can get to have daily credits. Yes, but I just changed my mind. I'm going to show you 2 AI tools that will be giving you daily credits for you to continue to create your videos. So let's get right in. So the very first AI tool that gives you daily credits every day is Digen AI. You can see here Digen AI, and you can get to create every day. You can get to create videos, you can get to create image. You can see here video, image. You can see here, is it free? You can see that I just signed in using this particular email. They gave me 120 credits for me to use and create videos. It is better you choose one that works for you, that will be giving you daily credits, and then you stick to it. With this, you can be able to create long form video. So let's see if it will work, because most times they get to give you credit at the end of the day, it doesn't work. So let's see if this one will work before you buy into it. So I have already prepared a prompt, okay, for this. So I'm going to kindly come over here. I'm going to copy this prompt. So I'm going to kindly come over here and then upload my image character that I want to use. I'm going to use this particular lady here, okay, and then I'm going to open. Okay, you can see it's importing the image character. So let's just wait for it to finish. So let me paste the prompt again. I'm going to click here to generate it. As you can see, it will only take 20 credits. You can see that it only takes 20 credits for you to be able to generate a particular video, and they get to give you this every day. This is incredible, and you can see it is generating. So let's just wait to see the result, if it will work. Okay, the video is ready, so let me just go ahead to play to see the result.
Okay, stay calm. It's just a simple meetup, but still, I have to look my best.
Okay, you can see that, right? The fact is that you just have to provide image character for it to be able to create a video for you, and then you don't have to make sure that you don't have to make your dialogue to be too much, because it will confuse the software and it will not know exactly what to say. It's just like GROK AI, like GROK AI free version. Remember when we are using the free version of it, if you make the dialogue to be too much, it's going to make the lip sync and even the dialogue not to flow. So that is the same thing here. You just have to be careful. Don't allow the dialogue to be too much, and make sure it is well arranged. It is because this is tutorial, I had to make it that way. The main sense behind this video is that you can use Digen AI to get daily credits to create your video. Now the next AI I want to show you is called Flow. Once you search for Flow, you kindly go ahead to sign up. It is very, very simple for you to sign up. So once you sign up to your Flow, they will give you daily credits. So Flow do give daily credits. Okay, so now you come over and then click on new projects. Once you click on new projects, then it will take you down here. What you have to do is for you to come over here. You see, what do you want to create? Now under what do you want to create, make sure if by default this is in image, you kindly click on it and then remove from image to video. Okay, you can as well bring in your image character and then you paste your prompt to generate by using frames. I'm going to make a well-detailed video on this Flow, on how to use Flow. So today I just want to show you that you can get daily credits from Flow to create your video. Incredible, right? So I'm going to select video, I'm going to select 16:9 aspect ratio. Then I'm going to kindly come over here to paste the same prompt. Here comes my prompt, and then I'm going to hit here. You kindly click here to send. So let's wait to see the results. Is one of the tools that you can use and you to create your video daily. Okay, you can see it's done generating, so we just have to go ahead to play to see the results.
Okay, stay calm. It's just a simple meetup, but still I have to look my best. Okay, stay calm.
Can you see that? So what you have to do is just for you to kindly come down here to download your video. Now what I noticed in these two AI tools, the first one, Digen AI, since you get to bring in to upload your image character face, it doesn't really give you what you want. But this, you see this Veo 3. Veo 3 is my best so far. I love Veo 3. Yes. Before now, I used to love GROK and Veo 3. But Veo 3 is still one of the best. Trust me. And they get to give you daily credits to use and create your video. I think you should go try out yourself to see how you can, yes, make the most out of it. And also always make sure that you indicate in your prompt, make sure that your prompt is well detailed with what you want before you go ahead to create your video, so that you will not end up wasting your prompt. You can see this particular one, there is no lip sync and dialogue. It is because I did not include in that prompt dialogue. I only indicated what she needed to say. But regardless, I've been using it to create amazing things. I've been using it to do amazing things. So the main purpose of this video is for me to show you AI tools that you can still use with daily credits to create your video. I hope you found it helpful. Do not forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and try as much as possible to share this video with another creator. If there is any video at all you want me to come up with next, please kindly drop in the comment section. I'm very interested in that particular part. Drop in the comment section. I'm going to see to it. Thank you. See you in my next one. Goodbye.